Newsmax, which has a TV news channel, is up 511% off its IPO today.
Crazy.
Wow. Joining us now to talk about these topics and more is Dan Primack. He is business editor at Axios. Dan, I wanted to get into Tesla and Musk and all that stuff, but you follow IPOs for a living. What do you make of this Newsmax news?
I make that, we always talk Trump trades in terms of companies that are, in industries that might benefit or not. This is the most kind of pure Trump trade, right? This is like Trump media or Rumble to a certain extent. When these right-wing or kind of conservative-focused media properties go public or are public, there's just a ton of buying activity into this. Remember, this is not a terribly strong company, right? It's losing money. It only has about $80 million in revenue. The multiples are nothing like what any other media company, whether they be television or digital, have. But people love buying into these. What is interesting right now, though, it's now valued higher than Trump media was.
Well, they do $80 million in revenue, and it's a $5 billion market cap now?
Yeah, basically, yes.
All right. Well, that brings That brings us to the other kind of. Let's go back to Friday night. If this had happened during the week, Dan, there would have been wall-to-wall coverage. xAi bought X, and just all the X's and O's make my head spin. But what do you think about the valuation? What do you think about the move? And look, you have to hand it to Elon Musk. He creates xAi out of thin air, basically. To talk about how much we use Grok all the time. It's a genius use case for Twitter, which I'll continue to use that name. Unpack the deal for us.
Sure. I mean, for starters, on the valuation side, yes, it's a good valuation. On the other hand, Elon's the one who's determining these valuations, right? He's the control shareholder of both companies. I don't believe that X Holdings, which is Twitter, even has a board of directors. So he's the one who's approving this. So, valuation a little bit with a grain of salt. Remember, most of the big institutional investors that hold Twitter/X had valued it much, much lower, had significantly cut it. But yeah, look, we at Axios, we kind of previewed this a year and a half ago. The kind of the pivot for X or Twitter was going to be merging it with xAi, because that's kind of where the growth was. And you could see where Elon was putting a lot of his attention. And there's been huge interactions between the two companies, and not just in terms of employees, but in terms of money flows, right? xAi has been paying X for its data. So it absolutely makes sense to combine them. And the shareholder bases of both companies, they're not identical, but there's a lot of very similar large players, Sequoia Capital, Fidelity, et cetera. We're already invested in both.
Right. Do you, I mean, is there anything more to say about it beyond the fact that he controls them both, he can set the price, he can do what he wants and so forth? I mean, if you just look at xAi then, I mean, do you think they're going to ultimately take that public or no?
I mean, maybe someday. I mean, it is unclear kind of where the revenue is outside of the Twitter relationship. They might. I mean, if I'm Elon, he's never really been a fan of having public companies, right? SpaceX is private forever and is probably maybe the strongest fundamental business he has. He tried taking Tesla private. He obviously took Twitter as a public company and brought it private. I mean, maybe, but there's no particular reason to think he's going to.
Yeah, it's also the biggest deal of the year. Again, maybe with an asterisk. There was a small deal. We mentioned Mr. Cooper. There was, I think, another small financial deal. Does any of this have broader significance to you?
Not yet. I mean, the M&A numbers were fairly meager in the first quarter. I mean, I think the Mr. Cooper one, you or Brian was talking about how there have been relatively few mortgages because obviously the home buying market's dried up. This is a question of scale, right? Control as much of the business, become a one-stop shop. And then when volume goes down, it's obviously not good for Rocket. It's not good for Mr. Cooper, but that eases it a little bit if you've got all pieces of the business except just one part.
You have a take, go back to Musk. People are defacing Teslas. You've seen that. I don't want to go into all that nonsense. There was a movement this weekend where they were supposed to I think there's 277 Tesla dealerships and service centers. Supposed to be a combined protest at all of them this weekend. I don't know what exactly occurred, Dan, but do you have a take on where this goes? If people are afraid to drive Teslas, either they don't like Musk or they just don't want to be bothered in a grocery store parking lot. Whatever the case is, does this have an end date?
I don't know if it has an end date, so long as Elon is very actively out there, with Doge and kind of not just supportive of the Trump administration, but an active member of it, given that we're really a 50-50 country, which means 50% of the country doesn't like what Trump is doing. And Teslas historically have been purchased more, driven more in coastal cities, blue cities. So I think that 50-50 is probably skewed anti-Trump, anti-Musk, where Teslas are most prominent.
But isn't that the weirdest thing, right?